this video, we learn how to make another side with the operation same the side we have already done. Like in this case, I have this side already, and it make the dynamic mirror on this side already, and I run the verify, and it make the dynamic mirror, everything done for this side. And I call out this side, side 1. I would like to do the end for end this one, and for side 2 this one, and let's learn for this video how to do it. The first thing we need to do for create the work coordinate for this side and work coordinate for this side, and click the tab lens and create dynamic, and I build this side at this corner and the Z up, and we need to turn the Z axis 180 for the X along with the long S. Now turn the Z 190 or negative 180, and I will name it side 2. And this one I do the same thing, put over here, and this one I need the Z up. I turn the Y axis to negative 90, enter, and I'll name it ends or N1. Okay, so right now I do the toolpath. I put the plane, I put the N2 activated, and come back to toolpath and put another operation. Make sure we don't post all of them and crash the tool. So pull it down it, new machine group, we don't do it. Now we come down over here, pull it down here first, new group, toolpath group. We see it in the tree, the same level, and double click it, and it rename call side 2, and expand it, right click it, copy it, pull right the arrow red and paste it. And the first thing we're gonna do this, and we see this, it's select this, and we should be change this first, clear it, and reselect it. Okay. Right now the geometry select on the side 2 already. Parameter, the first thing we need to change the side 2 over here. Side 2 and copy over. And the home, we need to change the home machine, and everything should be good now because we keep everything same. We just change the geometry and the tool plane for the tool come down with another orientation and be regenerated. And if we don't say it regenerated, that means it doesn't apply that. Double click over here and we call it out again and we applied it, and it regenerated right now. We close and we see the multi-threading is processing right now. This step we make the NC file exactly all the steps, but different geometry and different orientation. And let's run the back plot, and we see the orientation for side 2 right now. Everything go out good, and we try to run it, see how it go down, and it's mirrored and lost it, and it's make clean up whole area. And I'll make verifier, run this side, and this go out of side 2 right now. That's all we need for the side 2. And now we keep going to do for this end. I call N1 activated, and come back the toolpath. I click over here, I create new tool group. I change the name, I N1, and come back over here copy it and put down over here and paste it. And it come out over here. After we paste the option down here, we need to change the geometry. Right now the geometry is still on this one. We can delete over here and we add on, but we do it way easier, clear, and just click and click over here and OK. When we click at the bottom, that means we use the inside, because over here it taper a little bit, and we use clean up later, taper later, and we just use at the portion at the bottom one, and it's a cut, leave the stop for the taper. We cut the taper later and OK. And the second one, we need to change the plane. Need the plane N1, north side 2, N1, and we move over, and we by the way we check the home position from the machine, and every parameter we keep it same, because this one also cut from this to this, it's a 500 to this is the 625. We can see over here 625, and it's in north 500, like side 1 and side 2, and we change the depth of cut from this and to this end. It is 625, 620 WG 62006, 62006. Copy it and put in the linking parameter. This is not 500 anymore, this is 62006, and we OK. And when we OK, sometimes it's not applied yet, it's just like modify for parameter or correction, adjustment or something, and we need to apply everything. And right now it run the thread multi-threading over here, and it's generated. We just close over here or close over here, and generating right now. And when we view the multi-threading, you see it's generating right now. That's all we need for the apply the tool path for another orientation and another side. And we need to change couple things for the tool path apply for new plane, new construction plane, new tool plane. And right now it's everything is applied on, and we run the verify, make sure the tool write the plane, yeah, and write plane, write coordinate, and write g depth, and write geometry, everything. Yeah, and right now it cut the depth is 3, and it doesn't have the angle tape, so we adjust a little bit. If this need to very precise, and we need to run the finish cut like water line to run around the wall or something, but this only relief for glam or something, and we just follow the 3D model, and we run rough and finish at the same time. We don't need to really critical precise, and we need to adjust the angle taper. It's over here, and the angle taper wall, we need to check the angle over here and how much the angle, and the tool over here dynamic, and we check the angle over here, and we see the angle is 7 degrees over here, 7 degrees, and the 7 degree, and we double check over here, and we put a depth of cut over here, and the depth of cut right now is before I Control C already, I put over here the depth of cut is 620.06 and 620 and 610, and the number of cut finish, we don't cut the finish, and we cut the taper wall over here, the angle taper, that is 7 degree, and Iceland, we don't do Iceland over here, and we accept it, and we generate it. View the multi-threading, it doesn't apply yet, we apply it again and close, and it's the multi-threading run right now. And when we see the toolpath show up, that means it's run multi-threading done and ready to verify. It's show up already, and when we run the taper, we cannot run only one path, like helical down and run only one pass. We need to run many passes for make the angle. So we run, if we need the smoothly, we run about the depth about 25 depth, and if we run the 25, we run the step over bigger. I run the step over maximum. Step over is the maximum is give us the 95%, I think, or maximum is 71. I run the 70% for maximum, and this is run maximum 95. It cannot, it's 70 maximum engagement. Okay, and applied it for it to regenerate it. And that means it runs step and make the tape over here. Or we can run one drop and run one more was like finish to run around the world. And we see over here the step is the angle down, follow the wall over here. See wall over here, step down this way, this step down this way. Runs very fine. This we run the Bono and Mill, and I know this is not important for 3D CAD. It's a little different, but we can accept it, or we can rerun the one more tool, sharp, flat and mill for at the bottom. One to clean up. This step a little bit and it's make a little rub over here. The depth over here is yeah, that's all we need to cover for the if we need to finish it right at the step down over here, we need to one more tool for I hide it for cutting the the corner over here need to flat and mill, and we need to run the water line for around this wall, clean up this wall